Morning guys, in front of me is HUAWEI Mate X6 and let me show you how to perform a soft reset. So basically all you have to do is tap on power button along with volume down button, tap and hold both of them together. Keep holding for around 10 seconds. And once you see HUAWEI logo, just remove fingers from both buttons and wait till your phone is rebooted. Afterwards, you will be able to use it smoothly in a normal way. Unlock your phone and that's it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.